Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV has an HDMI ARC or eARC port and that your soundbar supports it. This enables remote control and full audio formats. Once done, plug both units into power and turn them on. Make sure the soundbar is set to HDMI ARC input. Next, connect the HDMI cable from the soundbar's HDMI OUT TV ARC to the TV HDMI ARC/eARC port. You're initiating the handshake that passes audio and control signals, so be deliberate and secure the cable ends. You now configure both devices to talk properly. Enable HDMI CC on the TV so the remote can control volume, and enable ARC or eARC to route TV audio to the soundbar. Make sure the TV's audio output is set to external speakers or HDMI ARC rather than TV speakers. Once enabled, test with different content and adjust soundbar DSP modes for clarity. If dialogue lags, change the lip sync or audio delay setting on either device to align picture and sound precisely. You finish by testing multiple sources, streaming apps, live TV, and a Blu-ray player to confirm consistent audio. Make sure both devices run the latest firmware to avoid compatibility issues with Dolby formats or eARC. Once satisfied, set preferred presets and volume limits on the soundbar. If you encounter no sound, first swap the HDMI cable and verify ARC/CEC settings. Then reboot both devices and check the TV audio output again. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.